What up, everyone? Happy Tuesday. Thank you guys once again for tuning back in. It really does mean a lot. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So, this was how the Nasdaq looked on the day today, and right around here was when the market opened up. Right around this area at 6:30 in the morning once again. And today the market did a great job of rallying, right? The whole day basically traded between the top VWAP, right? This top line here, this pinkish line here, and the middle VWAP, this purplish line here. And more specifically, it really did a great job of trying to trend above this blue EMA line and use it to kind of give you a good direction when it was trying to rally or when it was going to try and dip a bit below it. But let me just quickly go over how I did on the day. I was up just over $60 on the day, and the majority of that was on TQQQ, as you can see. So here are all my filled orders on the day, and yeah, there's a little bit amount of them, but not too much on the day. And yeah, so nothing crazy, and I want to go over kind of what I saw on the day that allowed me to be green. Definitely could have done a better job, but basically right when the market opened up, I saw that direction wanted to start uptrending, right? And on top of that, I was looking that going into the pre-market, right before the market opened up here, the pre-market here, the market did start to uptrend now. So I was keeping that in mind, and above all of this right here, I was just going to look at the charts on the bigger picture, right? So I looked at it like, let's say you can look at it on the 10-day, 30-minute time frame, right? And here was when the market was opening up, and it just did a good job of basically pushing up above this SMA line here, right? And starting to really rally on the day. And once I saw that, I saw the potential for the market to really want to uptrend, right? It broke above this blue EMA line here. If I can zoom in, right, it broke above it, and on top of that, it maybe did dip below, but it formed a higher low, and it just broke above this SMA line here. And that was a pretty strong resistance, so once it broke above it, it really started to rally. You can literally just look at the charts any different time frame you want. It's a 5-day, 5-minute, right? And you could have seen that there could have been a potential play like this coming. There was in the past movement like that, right? When the market was trading above these levels, and when it started to uptrend, it really started to go. And that's kind of what got me to look for a TQ's play. I saw the market really wanted to go, and it had potential to really start rallying once it kind of had this huge right here, these big green candles come in, right? Those were providing a lot of buying pressure basically. So yeah, and funny little story. So my brother, when the market closed, he was actually about to walk over. We were at work, and he was gonna show me that we actually had a nice little green day, and we were actually up around $500 to $600. And 2 minutes later, when he gets to my desk, he literally pulls up TOS, and we see that we dip like over $200 below, and it's because of earnings, right? We weren't even really paying attention to it, even though I let you guys know about that yesterday, but it's because of Snapchat. As you can see on his nice little stroll over to my desk, this ended up happening, and Snapchat reported earnings that were not good, obviously, and it ended up dropping a nice, decent amount, right? It was trading at around highs of $11.78 on the day, and it ended up falling to $9.71, and right now it's trading at $9.83. So yeah, huge drop on the day, and as you can see, we are down $140 on it now. So yeah, that was a little fun, but it's alright because we still had a nice day. And yeah, Snapchat, we are still in the green, if I'm not mistaken, on the year overall, but not by much. And yeah, just grateful for that. So thank you guys so much once again for tuning back in, and keep in mind, like I told you guys yesterday, there are earnings being reported also tomorrow and Thursday, just the rest of the week. And Thursday is a big one to look out for. That's when Google and the other big companies are reporting. If I'm not mistaken, it was either Apple or Meta too. But yeah, just be on the lookout for those. And yeah, so Thursday it is Apple too. So they are gonna have a large impact on the market, obviously, because they are all huge companies that have a big market share. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And if you want to play it safe, just sell out of any positions you have going into it, or you can obviously just do your part in either holding on or deciding to manage risk. But yeah, I just want to throw that out there. Thank you guys once again, and have a great day. Take care.